Now I'm going to tell you how I became a good English speaker and the value of speaking English. If I talk about English language is considered the international language in the world, and in order to communicate in this global village, we must learn English language. How we became a good English speaker? Be a English speaker is very easy thing. Everyone can speak English, but only a small activities we should do. After you engage with these activities, you will be a good English speaker. So in the society, lots of people don't have an opportunity to study English language. Sometimes there are no good teachers, and sometimes they are too busy with their work, and sometimes they have to sit great deal of exams, and sometimes their parents don't let them to study English language. However, if people have a target that they want to study English language, they can study about English language. Learning English is very easy thing. Everyone can do it. Only we have to do practice is very essential when we learn English language. First of all, you must have a complete knowledge about English language, and in order to get a complete knowledge, you must go to near a teacher and study about English language. You have to study about grammar, and you have to study about articles, and you have to study about adjective, adverbs, all the things. After you study about all the things, you have to speak English. Your next target is speaking English. So now I'm going to tell you what are the activities you should do to improve your speaking skills. If you want to speak English, it is very easy, and you have to do only a few activities, and they are very funny, and they are very small activities, and when you are do it, you will be very funny, and you will be able to understand that you can speak English. The first activity is storytelling. If I talk about storytelling, first of all, you have to choose a story, and after that you have to explain about that story during any time. So after you do storytelling, you will be able to know about lots of new words, and you will be able to speak English. The second activity is just a minute. So when you do just a minute, you have to choose a topic. The topic could be environment, river, animals, waterfall, anything. After that, you have to describe about this topic during 1 minute. After you do just a minute, you will start to think from English language. Next activity is group discussion. In order to do group discussion, there must be only 3 people. You can join your friends and do group discussion. You have to choose a topic. It also just a minute, and then you start to discuss about that topic with your friends, and then you will be able to communicate with your friends from English language, and then you will be able to discuss something from English language. The last activity is debating. If I talk about debating, it's very amazing and very important activity. So in order to do debating, there must be a few people, and you have to divide it to 2 groups, and then you have to choose a topic, and after that you have to argue that if the topic could be village and city, and school and schools and extra classes, like that. After that, you have to say that if you topic is village and city, one group have to tell that village is good place to live, and then other group have to tell that city is good place to live, and then you start to argument with your friends, and then through these activities you will be able to improve your English knowledge, and you will be able to improve your speaking skills. So do these activities and improve your speaking skills, and be a good English speaker for the society, and do your day-to-day work easily.